Dave, welcome to the Trolley Stop Cafe's new kitchen. Take a look at what's here.
We got everything, dog. We got everything.
The most amazing blender there. That Vitamix is top of the range. These griddle pans, they're easy across all the restaurants.
Yeah.
Cruising. Incredible. Just installed the most amazing toaster.
Beautiful, chef.
We have a brand new steam table.
I like it.
A brand new refrigeration unit with windows. Darren, how you feeling?
Awesome. Incredible. Proud.
Get used to it. Fall back in love with it, please.
Yes, chef.
Yeah. Get to work. I'll be back shortly.
This new equipment doesn't guarantee success. If Darren and his trolley team don't use the skills I taught them, tonight could be a train wreck. And with minutes ticking away, we're truly fighting the clock.
Kind of cool, huh? Brilliant. Guys, come over so I can talk to you. How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Everyone doing well?
Yes, chef.
Thank you for coming. My partner in crime, Marcelo. Aaron Sanchez, doing great.
How's everyone doing? I know it's a pleasure.
He's a judge and master chef with me. A chef of incredible talent. He lives 2 blocks away from here. He's a local. 7 restaurants in New Orleans. We helped put this place on the map.
When you guys represent our city, you represent our food culture and history here. So the incentive is on you guys to lift that game up.
Cook 2 of everything on the menu. Present it to Aaron and I now, on order.
Yes, chef.
2 of everything.
The first person is, how y'all doing? It's me about to take care of y'all.
Or silverware, and sit them down, greet them, say how you doing.
Come on, guys, let's put a second gear. Pay respect and homage to our city, guys. We have a beautiful food history and culture.
Pork chop, shall we? Yep. Good.
There you go.
Yeah.
I'm good. You good?
Yeah, I'll be good, man. I'll be good. Wait.